Hello friends, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open your TikTok account on mute. In this very short tutorial, I'm going to show you the video will be muted by default when you open your TikTok account, and by typing unmute or volume up and down at your Android or iOS devices will be control your video's volume. So getting this feature at your Android and iOS devices, please keep watching this full video, and after that you will be easily get this option at your devices. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines at the top. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now scroll it up. Now find the option playback. Simply tap at playback option. Now appears my screen. You can see open TikTok on mute. If the toggle is off, simply turn this toggle on. And down the bottom you can see a second option, auto volume adjust. If you want this, just simply toggle the on at your devices. And like this, you can easily turn this feature on at your Android and iOS devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming video notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.